Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your live broadcast at 11:11 a.m. Eastern. I'm here every Monday and Wednesday, so if you are catching this in replay, you know when to set your alarm for. So Mondays at 11:11 a.m. Eastern, I bring you a meditation, and Wednesday, it's a mixed bag, but today I'm going to bring you another meditation, the second meditation for this week, because quite frankly, I need it. I need it. The past couple weeks, especially this last weekend, has been a whirlwind of emotions for me. I call it the wibble wobble of mood and energy. And when that happens, it's important for me, and I want to offer for you to just take a moment, take a beat, pause, acknowledge where you are in the present moment, and to allow yourself to reconnect to yourself. So no matter if it's good circumstances or bad, so-called bad circumstances, we don't always have control over them, but we can always change our reaction to them, or attempt at least to change our relationship with the situation, with the circumstance, with the present moment. So if you're feeling a little bit, stressed out, even a little anxious, maybe you have actual anxiety, right? Like it's something that you deal with and have to manage every single day. I want you to join me for a short meditation, really easy. Once you do this, you'll be able to do it on your own many, many, many times. So good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Don't mind my crazy puff up here. It is humid in New Jersey, and I'm just trying to keep it together. Take a nice inhale and exhale with me. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the buzzing of lawnmowers is happening right outside my window. Our current circumstances, even when they are not ideal, can serve us in different ways. So the noise, the chaos of our individual environments can serve us because it trains us to be okay in every moment, in any situation. We don't have to leave where we are to find peace. We can find it right where we are. You can keep your eyes open during meditation, that's okay. Just make sure they're softly focused on an object, a point across the room, a spot on the floor right beyond your nose. Keep your eyes open if that's more comfortable. Make meditation your own, or close them. That helps with removing visual distractions. Sit up nice and tall to create a clear channel for energy to flow. Inhale your shoulders up to your ears. Exhale, roll your shoulders down along your spine. Maybe imagine a string pulling the crown of your head up towards the sky. Your chin is parallel to the floor. Your hands are resting gently on your knees or your thighs, upturned to receive energy, downturned to seal energy, to protect your energy. Check in with your breath. Bring your attention to your breath as it is in this moment. No need to change a thing. Just focus on those easy and effortless inhales and exhales. Your breath not only carries life force, but it communicates with you about what's going on in your body energetically. Is it fast and shallow because you are nervous or annoyed or agitated? Is it long and easy because you're already stepping into this place of peace and calm? Just check in. Check in. You're safe. You're alive. You're breathing, right? Your breath is proof of that. You are alive. Your breath is confirmation that you are here in good physical health, in strength, in power, in choice, right? You are in a space of choosing yourself. You are in a space where you say, I choose healing, I choose love, I choose self-love, I choose self-respect, I choose me. Say that on the exhale with me. I choose me. Inhale. Exhale. I choose me. If it feels a little funny, or even if it feels really good, let's do it again. Inhale. I choose me. One more time for good measure. Inhale. I choose me. Already your breath is taking you to a space of peace and calm, away from whatever stress, agitation, even heightened joy, even that nervousness, that jumbling of energy that happens when you're in the space of heightened joy. Your breath is taking you just a step down where you can savor it, where you can savor the good moments and remind yourself that you're safe in the not so good moments. Your breath is taking you down to a grounded space of peace and calm. With your exhale, I want you to sink deeper into that space, to release any tension in your body and just sink in, lay back. Inhale. Exhale, sink in. Oh, that feels so good. Yes. Again, inhale. Exhale. Notice how I pause at the bottom of the exhale to just rest in that emptiness, to savor that space. Inhale. Exhale with a sigh. That emptiness where you find peace and calm, clarity where you make decisions. That space is so easy to relax in. Revisit your inhales and exhales. Notice how they've changed from the beginning of this meditation just by watching them. Just by listening to my words. Just by reciting an easy 3-word mantra, I choose me. When you say I choose me, you choose the essence of you. The essence that is alive, that is joyful, that is filled with wonder, curiosity, that is peace, that is grounded, that is connected to Source at all times, no matter the circumstance. We can't always change the circumstance, but we can always examine and change our relationship to it. Remember that. I choose me. I choose me in my purest essence. Light, love, peace, calm, groundedness, connection, clarity, wisdom. I'm going to bring you out of this meditation with 3 deep, energizing inhales and exhales to bring us back to the moment, but feeling confident that we are safe, that we are connected, that our stress, our anxiety, our circumstances do not own us. We determine our relationship with everything that's outside of our bodies, our beings. Inhale with me now. Inhale. Exhale. Breath 2, inhale. Exhale. Rest at the bottom for a beat. Last time, filling up with energy, with life force. Inhale. Exhale. Gently, gently, gently. Flutter those eyes open. Look down before you look up. Welcome back, friend. You know, it's so funny. Before I started today's meditation, I said to my husband, on the days that I don't want to do the 11:11s, they're so hard. It's so hard to step into that space, to turn on. And then every single time I finish, I'm like, I'm so glad I did that. Just a reminder, there's links in the video description. I forgot to tell you at the beginning of this. There are links in the video description for my private Facebook community where I commune with you every single day, chit chat, love. And also the applications are open for my Block to Bliss session starting June 24th. It is amazing, transformative experience. Truly. It is magic. It is magic. It is a miracle in 12 weeks with a group of amazing women. We learn, we grow, we let go, we become all together. So check that out. Those links for the private Facebook community and your application for Block to Bliss. And I will see you in the group on social media and on Monday with another live meditation. I love you. I love you. I love you.